Have you ever stopped to wonder where our sun, the very heart of our solar system, came from? It's an eternal question that has fascinated thinkers and scientists for centuries. This glowing orb of life-sustaining energy that rises and sets each day didn't just appear out of nowhere. It has a history, a beginning, a birth. So how did it come to be? What cosmic forces were at play? Today, we journey back in time, to the very beginnings of our solar system, to witness the birth of our sun. Our story begins in a place we call the cosmic nursery, a nebula rich with gas and dust. Imagine a vast swirling cloud of cosmic dust and gases, a place of silent majesty and infinite potential. This nebula, a celestial cradle, contains the raw materials needed for the birth of stars. The nebula's composition is critical to our tale. It's brimming with hydrogen and helium, the lightest and most abundant elements in the universe. Scattered throughout are traces of heavier elements, remnants of stars long gone. This mix of elements is crucial, for it is the fuel that will power a star. Now the stage is set, but how does a nebula transform into a star? The answer lies in gravity, the cosmic sculptor. Gravity pulls the nebula's gas and dust inward, creating a dense, spinning core. This collapse under gravity is not a quiet affair, but a dynamic, turbulent process with matter swirling and crashing together. As the collapse continues, the core of the nebula grows hotter and denser. This dense, hot core is what we call a protostar. It's the embryonic stage of a star, not yet a fully fledged star, but well on its way. As gravity continued to pull these elements together, the center of the nebula grew hotter and denser, forming a protostar. And so, the stage was set for the birth of a star. From the protostar, a battle ensued between gravity pulling in and pressure pushing out. This celestial tug-of-war is the stage on which stars are born. The protostar, a dense core of gas and dust, is under intense pressure. Gravity, that relentless force, pulls matter inwards, causing the core to contract. As it does, the temperature and pressure within the protostar rise dramatically. This is the first act in the birth of a star. Our protagonist, the protostar, is now a hotbed of activity. The increased pressure and temperature set the stage for the next act, nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion, the process that powers stars, is not a simple undertaking. It requires immense heat and pressure, conditions found within the core of the protostar. The stage is set, the players ready. The atoms of hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, are put under such tremendous pressure that they start to come together, to fuse. As these hydrogen atoms fuse, they form a new element, helium. This might seem like a small change, but it's a transformation of cosmic proportions. You see, this fusion process releases an incredible amount of energy in the form of light and heat. This is the heartbeat of a star. This is what turns a protostar into the sun. The light emitted from these fusion reactions pushes outward, counteracting the inward pull of gravity. It's a delicate balance, a dance of cosmic forces. In the heart of this chaos, a star is born. But it's not just any star. It's our star, the sun. The birth of a star is a spectacle of cosmic proportions, a transformation that takes millions of years. It's a process of incredible power and beauty, the ultimate testament to the force and majesty of the universe. And with a final mighty burst of energy, our sun ignited, casting its light and warmth into the cosmos. And so, from a humble protostar, emerged the brilliant sphere of light and heat that is our sun, the star at the center of our solar system. And thus, from a humble nebula, our sun, our very own star, was born. This journey from a simple cloud of dust and gas to the radiant orb that lights our days is a testament to the complexity and beauty of the universe. The sun, with its warming rays and gravitational pull, holds our solar system together, orchestrating the dance of the planets around it. This star, our star, is more than just a bright spot in the sky. It's the engine of life, driving photosynthesis, weather patterns, and even our own biological rhythms. It's the ultimate source of the energy that powers our homes, our cities, and our world. The birth of the sun from a nebula to a star is a cosmic tale of transformation and endurance. It's a story written in the language of physics and chemistry, a story that's still being told every day in the light that reaches our planet. So the next time you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, remember, you're feeling the echoes of a cosmic journey that began over 4.6 billion years ago.